I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel.
In this video, I am sharing a DIY Happy Planner micro sticker book holder. So this is one of the micro Happy Notes. There were two different kinds. One kind has like a little mini journal in it, and then the other kind has notebook paper. This is one of the journal ones. And they come with plastic micro discs, little tiny discs. I switched those out for the gold medal mini ones because I love those. And then it fits about 2 of your mini sticker pads, these. So I'll show you how I made that and how you can do it too, and how much easier it is to flip through these little tiny sticker books when it's in a little mini planner. I honestly don't remember where I saw this first, so if this was your idea to combine the micro Happy Notes with the tiny sticker pads, please let me know. So to start off, you're going to need 4 tools, 2 tools and 2 things. You're going to need one of the micro Happy Notes. This is one of the ones with the Empowered Woman little planner. It's a little journal on the inside, and this one has those little micro discs. You can leave those or you can switch them out to the mini discs, which actually I think I will do that as well. So then that's 5 things that you'll need if you want to switch out the discs. And then you'll need one of the mini travel micro, whatever you want to call these, sticker pads, or 2. It will hold at least 2. I put 2 in this other one and it fit fine. See, but you could probably squeeze a 3rd one in there, but I like it comfortable. So it comfortably holds 2. And I put Miss Maker in this one because it matches, this is the Miss Maker pattern. And then I put brights in here as well because those colors kind of match Miss Maker. So I thought they would go well together. That way I can kind of find the same colors in that book. And then this kind of has pastel kind of colors. So I'm going to do the lovely pastel stickers in this one, and then maybe another one. Okay, I got some extra mini discs, which I will start off by switching out the discs on this little micro. So I'll take off the front cover and the back cover and just leave this whole part together because I won't need it for this project. We'll take off these front and back things. And so that glue stuff is hard to get off, but I do have some undo now, which I'll try to find that and link it down in the description. The undo is perfect for taking off that glue stuff, and then you can clean your planner cover and it comes out perfect. Okay, so get that off, get that glue dot off, and then switch out these discs. Look how cute. Okay, so this is the tricky part. This is the part that I had to experiment with a little bit to figure out how to get this to work. Your punch will comfortably do 2 sheets, so you can do 2 sheets at a time. And this is a secret. You have to do it upside down. As you can see, look at all those little pieces of sticker in there. If you do it right side up, it will pull off the sticky part, and the sticky part will get stuck in your punch, and it's very difficult to get it out. So punch it with the sticker side down, and then it won't get stuck in your punch. And then you'll want to do it at the end. This is the classic size punch. I haven't tried the big, but it works just as fine in the big. But sometimes you have to place it a little bit different. I want this to center on these discs here. So that means I want to center on the punches as well. So you can use this dot, that's your center, and kind of place that right in the middle in between the punches, or you can try to evenly space both ends of your stickers with both sides of those punches to get it even. And then just punch it down. So if you look very closely, it seems to be just a slight bit closer on this side than that side. So I can probably go a little closer to this end to get it perfect, but this is perfect. It's fine like that, and it will go in and they will stay. So there's the first 2 sheets. So just grab another 2 sheets Make sure it's facing down, even on both ends, or even your circle in the middle. And punch. So I think there are 20 sheets of stickers in here, so you have to do it 10 times for each of these little sticker books, which it takes a long time. So this is not a quick project. And if you don't have a whole bunch of those little sticker books, then this would be just fine to do. I don't like projects that take a lot of time because there's really nothing wrong with keeping them in this. I just think they're so cute and a lot easier to flip through in the micro. Plus, I wanted to figure out something to do with those micro happy notes. I did throw one in my purse, and I do use it to kind of write down notes when I'm on the go. And that has worked well. But it seemed like I could do something else with it. So I thought this would be fun. And the first one came out so cute. I'm probably gonna punch all of these as I get time. Okay, last one. And then I'll show you what to do with the cover. You don't have to punch the cover and add it in, and these punches are not really made for cardstock. They're made for sticker paper. So they really, it says right on there, maximum 3 sheets, and they mean it, 3 sheets of regular paper. 2 of these sticker sheets are pretty thick. That pretty much maxes it out. And this is really too thick. So if you trim it super close, and if you really want it in your book, you can make it work. At first, I didn't think it was going to go in the punch, and it didn't. But if I trim this close enough here, it will be smooth enough to fit in the punch, and you can punch the cover. And this is basically, if you're gonna put more than one of these in your little micro planner, you might want the cover so that you know which stickers you put in there in which section. So as you can see, it's a super tight fit. It barely goes in there, but it does punch. So we can put that cover right on here. And that way, if I add a second book, I'll be able to see which book the stickers came from. So that's it, easy peasy. How long did it take? Like 5 minutes? And now you've got a little micro happy notes with stickers in it. So putting together this cute little sticker planner, micro sticker planner, was fun. It took a lot of time, but it was very fun, and I think this will be so much easier to flip through and find my stickers. So I kind of made a bunch more of them, and I've got one more to go. I've got 2 wrong sticker pads. I've been waiting and waiting for these to show up in my Joann stores, and they never did. So I've ordered them online a couple of times, and orders were canceled. I tried to order all 4, and 2 already sold out, so I couldn't get them in my cart, but I finally got 2 of the 4 sticker books in my shopping cart, paid for and shipped, and these finally came in. So I'll make one more of these little micro books with my wrong micro planner. Let me find that. This one, the Fierce and Fabulous. And I haven't decided if I'm going to switch it inside out because I really like this pattern for the outside, and it has the girls. This one doesn't have the girls on the front. See, it's just black and white, which is pretty, but this is prettier. So I might switch it inside out. And then that one will be the wrong stickers. Now, since the first part that I had filmed, I figured out that you can fit 3 of these mini micro, what are these called? Well, anyway, these tiny sticker pads. you can fit 3 of them in one of these micro planners, micro happy notes. So I've got, like I said, I have Miss Maker, brights, and then I added bold and bright to that one. Let's see I don't even remember what else I put together. Oh, this one's just my notes. So this one I'm going to keep for notes because I love the unicorn and it's going to go in my purse. And that way all the extra paper from all of these will go in this one to refill. And I have been using it. I put it in my purse, and whenever there's something I got to write down really fast, that's been super helpful to have right there. Okay, so then this one is kind of the miscellaneous things. Okay, so this is, what is this sticker pad? Where is this from? Okay, this is the one from the Joanne box. That sticker pad is in there. And then the seasonal sticker pad. And then the colorful boxes sticker pad. So those were like my miscellaneous ones. And then this one, Hustle and Grow. This one is my Healthy Hero. So there's 2 in here, the 2 Healthy Hero sticker pads. Okay. This is the Empowered Woman micro notes. And I put the Super Mom in there because I just thought that, I don't know, just because I thought that went well with it. All right, this one is the Squad Girls. Isn't she so cute? So I also switched out the discs on most of these so that they just had cute plastic discs on all of the ones that have the stickers in them, have plastic discs, and all different colors too. And then this one has the metal discs, and that one's my actual notepad. Let's see what I put in here. Okay, right, the squad. The squad stickers are in there. And then the pastel, fun florals that are like pastel florals I put in there. And then the lovely pastels, because all of those kind of went with these colors to me. This pattern's really cute too. So that's that one. Do we look at all of them? This one. Okay, what did I put in here? Oh, black and white. So this one, this was my very first happy planner that I got in the classic a few years ago. So I liked that they brought that back for this micro note. So this has the Make Things Happen, which is kind of like the Boss Babe vibe. I love those. And the black and white ones I put behind it. So there's black and white. So this one has 2, which means there's room for another one in there. And then let's go ahead and make the last one. Let's make this, what is she called? The wrong stickers. Okay, I found some dark blue discs that I think will look good on this, and I think I am going to switch it inside out because I just like those little polka dots. All right, so let's take that off. Get that sticky thing. Stick it somewhere else. This one. Okay. Now we've got our cover, and this one is going to be just kind of different. It's going to be upside down, but I like it. Okay, so once you've got your little planner put together, get your 2 stickers that you have punched and just put them in. Now, once we get to the end, we'll cut out the cover and put that in there so I know which book those stickers came from. Okay, we've got it punched out. All our wrong stickers are in there. It's our backwards planner, but cute. Let's cut this. Okay, so scissors. I figured out if you cut just right above that Me and My Big Ideas box, and then straight across to just above the numbers, on this side. Then it will punch. If you get too close to this rounded edge, it's too thick to get in, to fit in the punch. And it barely fits in the punch. It's really too thick for it, but you can make it work. Okay, so our first, wonder if we should put these in the other way, since our girls are the other way. No, I like it this way. It's just gonna be different. It's gonna be the different one. That's how I like it. And then one more, I'll do this one off camera, and then I'll have all these cute little sticker books. Oh my gosh, I love these. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're going to put your micro sticker books in your micro happy notes.
Subscribe to the Planner channel to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.